What do you hear?
Huh? What?
What do you hear?
Thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah, thunder. Yeah.
What is it doing?
Yeah. Nothing.
You don't see any rain? Silas is gonna come look with you. Oh, I see rain.
Huh?
Well, you're right, it's not really raining now. Silas, what do you see?
A hunter.
You what?
A hunter.
Thunder.
A thunder. A hunter.
Do you like the rain?
Yeah, I like the rain.
Do you like the thunder?
I don't want the rain. I don't want the rain.
You don't?
Come on, water.
We gotta go change Silas's diaper. Hey, look at me. Are you gonna change it for me?
Yeah.
You're gonna change Silas's diaper?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really helpful. Thank you. Yep, let's go. But you're a big girl.
Here's Thomas. Thomas, here.
That's so nice.
Mine.
Oh, and that's yours? You're a nice sister. Look, Silas, she brought you this bear.